Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and creating a quick settings backup. This prevents lost preferences. Once done, install the Nice Taskbar application and explicitly grant administrator rights when prompted, because the tool needs deeper access to change shell behavior. Make sure to close any open Explorer windows, then restart Explorer. EXE or reboot so the app can patch the taskbar safely. This first sequence lays the groundwork, so pause only to verify permissions and a successful installation before moving on. Now you configure core features inside Nice Taskbar. Open settings and enable the modules you need, because each toggled feature alters system-level behavior. Next, adjust icon spacing, grouping rules, and transparency to match your workflow. Those choices affect visual density and click accuracy. Set hotkeys for quick toggles and then save a named profile so you can roll back instantly if something feels off. Once those steps are complete, test changes with a few apps to confirm responsiveness and layout stability. Finish by applying the final layout and testing it across single and multiple displays. This confirms DPI and scaling behave as expected. Make sure to save the active profile and enable automatic restore on login so your taskbar survives reboots. If something goes wrong, first restore the saved profile. If issues persist, restart Explorer. EXE or reinstall Nice Taskbar to repair corrupted settings. Finally, document the working configuration so you can reproduce it later. And don't hesitate to revert changes one at a time to isolate problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.